Hi everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through how to make a professional smart pixel beads creation using your smART Pixelator 2.0 device and the smART Pixelator 2.0 app. If you have not used the app yet, you may want to stop this video and watch the app tutorial video first, then come back and restart this video. Professional bead activities are those that use more than one beads tray per activity, so the finished project can be quite large. To demonstrate, we'll create the Professional Parrot activity. It requires two bead trays, which are attached. Please note that although in this video we will be using the app, it isn't mandatory to use the app for any activity other than camera or photo gallery activities. Before we get started, let's go over how the bead trays are connected. When you look at a tray, you'll notice 4 connectors. 2 connectors on 2 sides of each tray. On the remaining 2 sides of the tray, you will notice 4 notches. To connect trays, place them both on a flat surface and simply slide the connectors into the notches. If your project requires more than 2 trays, repeat the process to build a bigger base. Here's how to add a 3rd tray and a 4th. The parrot activity only requires 2 bead trays. Now that you know how bead trays are connected, let's get to the parrot activity in the smART Pixelator 2.0 app. Launch the app to get started. Make sure your device is connected to the app via Bluetooth. Again, if you're unsure of how to do this, please refer to the app tutorial video. From the home screen of the app, tap on Beads and scroll down to Professional Activities, which are under the Advanced section. The first Professional Beads activity is the parrot. The app shows that this activity takes approximately 2 hours, requires 2 bead trays, and is made up of 707 smART pixel beads. Tap on the parrot to get started. You will see a breakdown of the number of beads per color that are required for this activity. Arrange your beads first. Once you're ready, tap the Start button. Go ahead and fill the first bead tray following the instructions. When you finish placing all the beads, you will be prompted to remove the completed tray. Set it aside and place a new empty bead tray on the smART Pixelator 2.0 device. Fill the second bead tray the same way you did the first. When you complete the second tray, remove that from the device and prepare to connect your 2 finished trays. Connect the 2 trays the way that was shown earlier using the connectors and notches. Once the trays are connected, you need to turn the finished creation into one piece. To do this, you use an iron. This step must be done by an adult in a safe setting. Once the iron is heated to its highest setting, lay ironing paper or parchment paper on top of the 2 connected bead trays covering the entire parrot. Gently iron back and forth over the paper to heat up the beads underneath. There is no need to apply downward pressure or force. Once you see that all the beads have melted together, you're done. Turn off the iron, unplug it, and place it in a safe place to cool. Let the beads cool down for 1 minute. Then carefully flip the parrot over and let the beads cool for another minute. Gently remove the bead trays from the beads and set them aside. Now separate the parrot from the ironing paper and let it cool fully. That's it. You have completed a professional smART Pixelator 2.0 bead creation. Happy pixelating!